That Bolodo show. That Bolodo show. I call Bosino.
Hey, that boy easy, boy. That boy easy. Hello, boy.
Senior. I said that Bolodo show.
Bolodo show, boy.
That Bolodo show. Don't show. Do I? It's like this.
I said, boy, give me an agenda, no, boy. Just give me a double look.
I said, I don't join you. I join you.
I didn't use that place, no, boy.
It's clear.
Give me some man that been there, boy.
Boy, just chill and give me 30 minutes. Not
okay, I understand.
Yeah.
Boy, you say Bolodo show. No, your man is
you take me to catch up.
Anyhow.
Jesus, you see what you have done to me, you drunk that? Are you mad? You want me to stab you? You can even apologize. What is getting nonsense? Stupid people in this village. I don't even know you. Don't spoil my day. Don't just spoil my day. Hey! I will die here. Oh, this man, I will die here. Ah! Man. This one today is not good at all. Not good. No. I will die here. I will finish. Yeah, Dayo. Yeah, Dayo. Hey, who is this? My man.
My brother, they drunk.
My man.
They drunk.
What I do this minute?
My brother, there is this one thing I know about you. Your name is Godion, and you just convert it to the drunk, and you are just drunk in anyhow.
You see, this is my bottle.
Can I touch? Can I help you?
No. Hey! This one is untouchable.
Let's share now. Is it a woman? You told me that
No,
you love my sister. Nah, say let's share. You're refusing.
I cannot give you. Hey, voila! I want to tell you something.
You want to tell me something?
Yes, I want to tell you something.
The drunk. You know I trust you. Tell me now.
You know you're my friend now.
I know.
Well, see, this village, I don't want you to stay in this village. I just want you to take your sister and leave from this village.
I should take my sister and leave from this village.
Yes, take your sister and leave from this village.
Then you say you want to marry my sister. If I go with her, will you see her again?
No, you know like that. You understand now? So the bad people in this village, those bad boys in this village, the way I'm looking them, the way I'm seeing them, they have some intention towards their sister. You know I want to marry their sister.
I know you want to marry my sister.
Yes, so I will not like you need to tell your sister. I tell you, I've seen it oh. Yes, you need to tell your sister and leave for this village.
I should take my sister and leave the village.
This village no more good for you oh. You have tell you oh.
Okay, tell me, why do you say there are bad boys in the village? What are bad boys going to do to me with my sister?
I'm telling you, I don't know. Alright. I don't know.
I should just take her out.
Just go anywhere. Just go. Because I would really like to go and marry her sister.
Okay, you want to marry my sister?
I will marry her sister. I'm telling you. I will marry her.
No problem.
Her so much.
I can see her love for you is 10,000 bottles. 10,000 bottles.
I'll give one
I
man.
can see you give me one man.
Yeah.
Alright, good night, my brother.
Okay.
Yes, good night.
Yeah, die.
Where my brother?
Yeah, die.
It's Blink on the mark. Oh my god.
They don't know. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, brother is gonna like this dress. Anyway, he's gonna go.
Tell him that the bike is waiting for you. Tell him to hurry up. There's no time.
Brother,
Hey,
brother.
you guys are back. I'm coming. I was waiting for you guys now.
You, what's that you're putting on?
I'm going there. Go to the
Brother, what is this?
You are shocking me. I'm going to the city. When I reach there, I'll look for a dress. And maybe if I...
You came from the city. You know how the city looks like. I don't want you to go and disgrace me. Hear me now.
I don't have dress now.
Brother, think this is a Christmas dress. Good dress, man. Good dress, man.
Wait.
The bike is waiting for you.
My dress. Think it's going in the house now.
Brother, please be fast.
I'm coming.
There's no time. The bike is waiting for you.
I'm not a woman. I'm coming.
But you're just like a woman.
Do you know that dress is too nice? Huh?
Brother,
There's no time.
I'm American, you know. I gotta go to America now.
Brother, you look good,
Oh
babe.
my God.
Brother, what is this?
What's this? What is this? What? You really want to go? Enter. Change.
Oh, it's okay now. It's okay. Look at. It's okay now. Huh?
Brother, you look good.
Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you.
Take hand. Okay, so you're going to use this one. Just keep inside your pocket, you know, just to take care of yourself. Another life in the city is not easy. Just manage. Come. Don't think it.
But I'm going to miss you
I'll miss
so
you too.
much.
There's no time. You come
I'll
back.
miss you.
Brother,
Anything for you. You know you're my best friend now. My
Thank
only
you
friend.
so
It's
much.
okay. It's okay. I like doing that. It's okay.
brother,
I'm coming back, okay?
Don't
bother.
Okay now. The bike is waiting for you.
Yes. Be careful. Don't be walking around this village. You know, I'm coming back for you, okay? She'll come and take you, okay?
It's okay. I'll come. I hope you remember how to cross the road, guys.
I can close the road because
Your people try to go to their things. Huh?
So sorry.
I waste my time here. You add my money. You want me to pay and come for the fees.
It's okay. I'm sorry. See now. Forget me. Don't forget anything I told you. If you. Okay, I hope you have my number. Right? Call me first thing as you are ready to call me.
Raising this thing, see the past me. I don't.
let's go.
You down. The cuts with you, the ones you not could pull you down. They find a way they have for no good for secure. They standing for you, stand right to the end of time. Every day and night make you the precious name. Don't get more than life when you get to their name. Loving your days up another day. Anymore, any day.
How are you?
No, I'm fine.
It's been long. You're welcome.
It's been long. Oh, this is a baby.
Yes,
Oh my God, it's been long.
Come in.
Baby girl. Hey, baby. Auntie, you know it's really been long, right?
Yeah, it's been long.
Child.
That's
Auntie,
baby.
Auntie,
All grown up.
baby now.
Yes.
Oh, we thank God.
Thank God. God has been good.
Wow. So how have you been?
I'm good. How is everyone doing?
Auntie, so that
And how are you?
okay.
Please, can you take your bag? Go and pick your bag.
Oh, my bag.
Yes.
All right. Someone take the baby.
We can always say God will keep you right to end up. Shit it burst by the word.
Oh, Auntie. So how is your husband?
It's fine.
Wow.
It's fine. Although he's not around, but he's fine.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. He was in America.
Yes, he's still there.
I once tried to call your number, but it was going through. I went to the call box in the village to tell you that I'm coming.
Actually, I changed my number and I have a different number. That's why.
Okay. So, Auntie, I really want to come and stay here with you, even for a while, so that I can maybe have a job here in the city to manage, so that I can take care of my kid sister.
You have made the right decision. Yeah, because to stay in the village is will not be the best. So I think you have made the right decision to come and stay here. And
You have 2 weeks. I'll give you 2 weeks to stay here and look for a job. You see, yeah. So you have 2 weeks to stay here, look for a job, so that you can move out. Because my husband is not around, and you look, the tenants
don't really pay much. And actually, my husband sends me 200,000 francs every month as my monthly allowance, and he cannot accommodate the two of us. So I'll give you 2 weeks to
then look for a job and move out.
Thank you so much for that.
You're welcome.
I will try my best in struggle to see if I can have a job, anything, so that I will make it.
You don't have a problem. Your father was my brother, so I can do anything for you. Just that things are tight.
Everything will be okay. You got where you the one you not gonna let you down. You got where you the one you not gonna put you down. Find a way to have
Okay. Please, I'm going out.
I will not be long. Please hold the baby. Take care of the baby.
Okay,
yes. I'm going for an appointment and I won't be long.
Alright, baby. Please, there's no food in the house. What am I going to do now?
Prepare hot pot, then potatoes in the kitchen.
Okay, I should.
So you have to take some potatoes, peel and prepare.
Alright. Okay, no problem. Baby girl. Alright, Hans. See you.
Alright.
I'm a blessed child. I struggle for down the bastards. Keep up, come on, try to make me call up, but never I will fall up.
I gotta send your burger. We rush the change position. Never. She be last, but we get here now. We own the area. I send your burger. We rush the change position. Never. She be last, but we get here now. We
So wait to be your name.
For the first time I asked your name now. Jesus.
You are here, your name also with that is a show vibes. The name that will call you. You want to know what I'm going to give you. Sense. So I'm going to be part of your name.
I'm very tired. Yes, welcome. Baby girl, how are you?
Your baby's a good girl. She's not crying.
I'm furnished. So are you able to cook the...
Oh yeah, I tried. You know, it's been long. I do things like that. We are used to it, my milk. That's all. Let me bring it.
Okay. How was your day?
Come up, try to make me fall up, but never I will fall up, cause I'm feeling like I'm real.
Here we go.
Let
me help you with the day.
You suck my songs up.
Fine girl. Fine girl.
Wow, you know how to cook.
Oh, Auntie, thank you.
Very nice.
Which boyfriend are you talking about?
You want that talking? You want wine? You want?
Why you have?
Talk normal pidgin. That is teaching over there. You talk for Kafu. You talk pidgin.
I don't know how to speak in pidgin.
Somebody else is speaking pidgin. Yeah. Get up. No man knows the name. Yeah, bye.
Good.
Hey. They fine. You show yourself. You understand?
I gotta send your burger. We rush the change position. Never. She be last, now we get here. Now we own the area. Now who won the bagger? Oh, you bring the maga. Now who give you head? Why you take the rest of the shoulder? I mean, you know the fear.
Oh, I like.
Thank you.